Welcome, stargazers. Can you imagine the wonders of the universe? Picture a celestial event so immense that it casts shadows on Earth, visible even in daylight. We might be on the brink of witnessing such a spectacle in the Orion constellation, where Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star, has been behaving unusually, hinting at an impending cosmic explosion that could light up our skies like never before. But when will Betelgeuse go supernova, and what will it look like? What secrets might this event unveil? Join us as we delve into the mysteries surrounding Betelgeuse and its potential impact on Earth and our solar system. Located about 650 light-years from Earth in the Orion constellation, Betelgeuse is not just any star. It's one of the most luminous stars known, shining with a brightness over 100,000 times that of our Sun. But why does this red giant hold such significance? Betelgeuse, derived from the Arabic phrase Yad al-Jawza, meaning the hand of Orion, has been observed for centuries by various civilizations, serving as a guide for navigators and a source of fascination for astronomers with its distinctive reddish hue. Imagine a single star bright enough to outshine our entire solar system. If Betelgeuse were to replace our Sun, its outer edges would extend all the way to Jupiter. Despite being around 10 million years old, much younger than our 4.6 billion-year-old Sun, Betelgeuse's immense size means it consumes its fuel at an accelerated rate, leading to a shorter lifespan compared to other stars. As it nears the end of its life cycle, it won't simply fade away. Instead, it will explode in a supernova, an event of unfathomable energy and brightness, potentially illuminating vast stretches of the cosmos. The last time Earth witnessed a nearby supernova was in 1964, known as the Kepler supernova, which was visible for over 18 months and even shone brightly during the day. Records from various cultures document this event, and remnants of it can still be observed today with advanced telescopes, providing insights into the violent endings of massive stars. Now, imagine a cosmic explosion so powerful that it rivals the brightness of a full moon, casting shadows on Earth at night and affecting satellite operations and possibly even our atmosphere. Betelgeuse's erratic dimming patterns suggest it may be gearing up for such a spectacular display. Astronomers have been intrigued by the significant changes in Betelgeuse's brightness between October 2019 and early 2023, a phenomenon known as the Great Dimming. Its brightness, which had been stable for decades, suddenly decreased noticeably, drawing attention from both amateur and professional stargazers. By April 2023, observations indicated that Betelgeuse had returned to its usual brightness levels, prompting speculation that the period of dimming had ended. In subsequent months, its brightness surged by an astonishing 50%, further fueling discussions about its future. What caused this sudden fluctuation? Stars are not merely points of light in the night sky. They are dynamic entities with complex life cycles and mysteries. Betelgeuse has typically displayed a consistent brightness cycle of around 400 days, but the recent dimming challenged our understanding of stellar behavior. While the exact reasons for these anomalies are still being investigated, a compelling theory has emerged, focusing on stellar activity and mass ejections. Recent observations from the Hubble Space Telescope revealed that Betelgeuse had expelled a significant amount of surface material into space, an event equivalent to several times the mass of our Moon. This mass ejection could create a dense dust cloud around the star, affecting its apparent brightness and temporarily making it harder to observe. As this dust disperses, perhaps due to the star's radiation pressure, Betelgeuse may resume its normal luminosity. These events suggest that Betelgeuse is far from finished captivating us. Many speculate that it is moving towards the twilight of its life, with a potential supernova looming on the horizon. This explosion, triggered by an abrupt change in the star's core, possibly due to the accumulation of mass from a nearby star or the exhaustion of its nuclear fuel, could lead to a dramatic collapse. What drives a massive star like Betelgeuse toward such a fate? It all begins with the gravitational collapse of gas within molecular clouds, and as we watch this grand celestial drama unfold, we stand on the threshold of witnessing one of the universe's most spectacular phenomena. Stars begin their life cycles by consuming hydrogen in their cores, a stage known as the fundamental sequence that lasts for an extensive period and forms the foundation of a star's existence. As stars deplete their hydrogen, they evolve to harness new energy sources. In the case of Betelgeuse, once hydrogen runs low, it transitions to helium burning, which leads to the creation of heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. This shift from hydrogen to helium burning is marked by the star's expansion into a red giant. As helium reserves diminish, the star undergoes further expansion and progresses into stages of burning heavier elements. The larger the star, the quicker these transitions occur due to the immense gravitational forces involved. Eventually, iron begins to form in the core, and unlike lighter elements, iron does not release energy when fused. Consequently, the energy generated is insufficient to counteract the star's own gravitational collapse. This leads to an expansion in size followed by a catastrophic implosion, resulting in a supernova explosion. So, is Betelgeuse nearing its explosive end, or is it merely in a prolonged state? Recent research from Japan's Tohoku University suggests that the star may currently be in its carbon-burning phase, with lead researcher Haduki positing that the core could collapse within years as carbon supplies diminish. However, not all scientists agree. Studies from Hungary's Konkoly Observatory indicate that Betelgeuse might still be in the earlier helium-burning phase. What remains uncontested among researchers is that Betelgeuse is destined to become the Milky Way's next supernova, but the timing of this event is still uncertain, with estimates ranging from a few decades to 100,000 years. In the midst of these scientific discussions about Betelgeuse's fate, an intriguing reality persists: the very nature of our observations. When we gaze at distant stars, there's an inherent paradox linked to time and light. The vast distances in the universe mean that light takes time to reach us. For instance, light from Betelgeuse takes about 650 years to arrive. To put this in context, when this light began its journey to Earth, the Renaissance was just beginning, and explorers like Marco Polo were leaving their mark on history. Thus, when we observe Betelgeuse, we're actually witnessing an image from over 6 centuries ago. If Betelgeuse had already exploded, we wouldn't know for another 650 years. As we contemplate its potential supernova, it's crucial to recognize the broader implications for astronomy and our understanding of stellar life cycles. Supernovae play a vital role in the universe, acting as a recycling system. When a massive star explodes, it disperses heavy elements into space, enriching the interstellar medium with materials necessary for the formation of new stars and planets. This process is fundamental to cosmic evolution and the emergence of future generations of stars that may host life. Additionally, studying supernovae provides astronomers with critical data about cosmic distances. By observing the brightness and spectral characteristics of these explosions, scientists can measure their distances, enhancing our understanding of the universe's expansion and the influence of dark energy. Beyond their scientific significance, the looming supernova of Betelgeuse serves as a poignant reminder of life's transient nature. Cultures worldwide have long looked to the stars for inspiration and reflection. The thought that a visible star could be on the verge of a monumental transformation prompts deep contemplation about our place in the universe. It evokes a sense of humility, reminding us of the universe's vastness and the mysteries still to be unraveled. The potential spectacle of a supernova has captured the imaginations of scientists, scholars, and artists alike, often symbolizing change, renewal, and the cycle of life. The imagery of a star-going supernova resonates with themes of destruction and creation, encouraging us to reflect on our own experiences of transformation. As we await further observations and developments regarding Betelgeuse, we find ourselves at an intriguing intersection of science, culture, and philosophy, one that inspires us to dream bigger and explore the universe's many mysteries.